God is asking, have I not commanded you to be strong and to be courageous? Whatever you're trying to fear is not even existing. The Lord your God has taken charge. Hallelujah. Oh, stay encouraged. Oh my God. Continue to stay. As you rise up on your feet, stay encouraged. If God has commanded, don't question it. If God has said yes, do not question anything. If God has said he's going to bless you, nobody will not be there with you. Everybody will work on your way. Everything will work on your way. Hakuna kitu kitakosa kufanyika. Oh my God. If God has commanded, nobody will stop it. If God has said yes, nobody will stop it. I'm saying stay encouraged, because God is with you. This God is with you. And I even want to encourage my President Ruto that stay encouraged. God is with you. I don't know why I'm missioning this man. Stay encouraged, but get out of that house. God has commanded you to get out of that house. Build a new house for the glory of God. The house you are in was built for the glory of the devil, Lucifer himself. Put it to become a museum, and the people from all over the world will come and see what the devil did to this nation. This nation has been raped by the devil for quite a long time. This nation has been dominated by the Freemasons and the devil worshippers, Illuminatis. And that is why we have LGBTQ having their hand in Kenya, because they own a piece of the leadership of this country. I want to command and say that God has commanded you, President William Ruto, get out of that house. It is a den of devil worshipping. Remember the words of God when he told you, I will make you a king, that my name will be glorified. Do as much as you can to glorify the name of God. Do as much as you can to make Kenya great again. You have it in your hands. The success of this country is in your hands, and the failures of this country is also in your hands. We will pray for you, but you are going to determine the fate of this nation, and God will also determine your fate. You can be a two-term president, and at the same time you can be a one or less term president. The choice is yours. God has given it to you. God bless you. Worship.